What is he doing? Is he down? Is he down? Yeah, he's down.
I don't think he can breathe in his head's back. Yeah, I guess he's breathing. So as long as his head's back, it doesn't snore. That's good.
I think
No,
he's just
Larry.
trying to breathe. I don't think. Yeah, he can breathe.
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Raise his head.
He raises his
Just put your hand behind his head and pull it up. Put a pillow under his head or something.
Okay.
Listen back here before he lays back down.